right there, Brevard County motorcycle riders. So like, I'm getting tired of this. I don't know about you guys, but got off work a little early. It's going to take a ride on the bike, but don't look like I'm going to go too far. However, over there by Tycho's looking pretty good, so maybe that's my ride today. Tycho, maybe Windover, my kind of a typical ride. I actually kind of wanted to hit Merritt Island, hit South Tropical, and maybe do the Crooked Mile, but you know what? I'm looking at the weather over that way, not looking so good. So probably head to my favorite haunts over there in the Titusville area. Well, guys, if you're probably feeling the same way I am, talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.